Hello viewers. In the previous video, we talked about the apostrophe and parenthesis. If you haven't watched that video, then click on the right corner of this video. Today we'll move forward and discuss the colon along with the semicolon. Dear viewers, the colon is a punctuation mark consisting of two equally sized dots aligned vertically. Colon is used at the end of a clause to show an answer, elaboration, or explanation follows. Let us see some usages of this punctuation mark in further detail with examples. The colon is used before a list of things, as illustrated in the following example. John was so hungry that he ate everything in the house: chips, pizza, hot dogs, peanut butter, and candy. It is used before enumeration, examples, etc., as, the principal parts of a verb in English are the present tense, the past tense, and the past participle. The colon is used between two sentences grammatically independent but closely connected in sense or meaning. For example, study to acquire a habit of thinking. No study is more important. It is used before a description, as we see in the following example. Charlotte is so desperate that she'll date anyone, even William. He's uglier than a frog. The colon is used to introduce a quotation, as, Beacon says, reading makes a fool man, writing an exact man, speaking a ready man. It is used before any explanation, as shown in the following example. I had a rough weekend. I had chest pain and spent all Saturday and Sunday in the emergency room. Let us move to the semicolon now. The semicolon represents a pause of greater importance than that shown by the comma. It is used to introduce a greater break in the thought than the comma would give. The semicolon is one of the least understood of the standard marks, and so it is not as frequently used by many English speakers. Let us try to understand where the colon is used, with examples. The semicolon is used to separate the clause of a compound sentence when they contain a comma. See this example. He was a brave, large-hearted man, and we all honored him. It is used to separate a series of loosely related clauses. For instance, God gave her peace, her land reposed. Not last but least, the semicolon is used when a sentence contains an enumeration of several particulars. The clauses are generally separated by a semicolon, as illustrated in the following example. We have 4 professors on this committee: Mohammed Nassim, Professor of Statistics; Nawaz, Professor of Urdu; Fayez Ahmed, Professor of Botany; and Mohammed Arshad, Professor of Islamiyat. This was all for today's lecture. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. But wait, before leaving, subscribe to English Language and Literature and hit that bell icon, so that you don't miss any updates.